Strathmore block, bitch, I represent the fink. Leaving hands off, I done put niggas on their feet. Flip a half a thing, spinning on a full-length mate. I'm a Westside nigga, platinum rollies, diamond links. I done made a sale at damn near every Coney Island parking lot. Now it's big bodies, it be hard to find a parking spot. I'm fucking with Scooch. Anytime I pull up in the Bronx, bought me a coupe. Right at the spot is where I park the drop. If you see me on the mile, I'm fucking with Keys. Taking shots for my nigga Tone, blocking off the street. Can't forget Bright Mo, long live rock, free cheeks. You had your pinky toe in the game when we was knee deep. Used to hit the skating rink, rolling wheels on the craft. 30 deep with Jay and Flynn, and then we all from the Ave. Stump a nigga, then we mash. Man, them kids so bad. Got older, cut the games out and got me a bag. I'm from the
7 crazy niggas at El George's ordering chicken on the phone with one of my bitches. She says she tryna kick it. Told her I was on the way up to the set. I 96'd it. If you catch me with another bitch, say you my assistant. I'm a fight. I'm a hey, and my nigga B. Nigga free. Yeah, Westside niggas do it. Yeah, bitch, you know I'm running through it. You know how I do it. Lambo right next to the BM. Pockets Coliseum. Bitches all up in my DM. Yeah, I know you see him. Diamonds shine like 3M. Every drive is usually a European. Westside residing, doing suicide. Falling for the bitches and I still can't decide it. Cartier, Vibe. Bitch, I'm avid. Roll damn.
Shining, beaming, glossing, big time and stunting and flossing. 4-inch double dorm with 2 more in mom garage. I want that blue and black Ferrari with Nintendos and Ataris. Stone cold, sleep Austin. Couches look just like coffins because it's dead people in it. If I ever had a problem, I tell my cousin to off him. I tell my Jesus to solve it. I'm in that whatchamacallit. When I pull up, you do the Macaulay Culkin. I do this shit often on off days, bitch, I'm back. I pull up smelling like ounce bags and cognac. I'm leaving the Hummer, hour later, I'm flying back. Yeah, private jets about to land. The bitches fall out when I let them touch my hand. I'm leaving the plane to a Mercedes-Benz van. TVs all in here on chrome, 20-inch pans. Man, I am K-E-Y-W-A-N-E. Yo, bitch called me Key. Diamonds on VVs, shining like TVs. Tinted up, you can't see me. My car don't take CDs. My watch costs 3 keys. Your phone still on 3G. My sweater was 3Gs. My faucet drip Fiji. Bitches call me Key. I bought a Lamborghini. I park it at Fellini's. My bitches wear Cellini or Celine. Fettuccine every day with paninis. And when I went to school, I went to cash, not renting. I'm glad this shit happened. Quitted all my jobs. Used to live inside my car. Now I'm looking for mansions. I'm glad this shit happened. I used to steal and rob. Used to live at home with moms. Now I'm up in the Hamptons. Big ass 40. Shit will not happen. I don't know you niggas. I will not dab you. I don't talk L's like the L in salmon. I'm blessed for a Hammond. I got rich off sampling, yeah. If I leave the States, it's on a plane or a yacht. My dog bought beats for me, he stayed up the block. I took some of that, then turned my date into a yacht. I went to school and I was barely even there. And I graduated and turned into a millionaire. Spent my years in my 20s getting rich, nigga. You spent yours being a bitch, nigga. Bitch, nigga. Bitch, nigga. Bitch, nigga. If Jesus still was alive, I would've been in his group. Police out of line and I'm just itching to shoot. My dental plan was weak, so I put diamonds on teeth. You valet cool, I double park mine on the street. Yeah, A. Marie wanted one thing. Couldn't be me, I always wanted everything. All of my interests involve money, cars, and hoes. And if you don't like it, then shit, go and work at Lowe's, little nigga. that bitch. I told the bank I want all that shit. Don't walk up on me, I'm with all that shit. If she don't make more than me, I won't call that bitch. Had a Charlie on 6s, I dogged that bitch. Left wrist Rolex, right Audemars my shit. More number one hits mean the more I spend. The more you play my shit, double door my Benz, yeah. 100 a week, $100 a week. What the fuck I'ma eat? I ain't even have enough to put some cash in the safe. I ain't even make enough to put some gas in the tank. Plus my phone bill was 86 and Sprint was trying to play me.
Yeah, man.
I can't even take what's left to go and open up a savings. But my beats were so fire I could warm the whole house up. But nobody didn't listen, it was quiet as a mouse. I couldn't even help my mama with the lights in the house. Trust me, this isn't what I thought what life was about, yeah. Next week, got my check cashed it, bought some shoes, and then again I was broke. At times, I couldn't even go and buy me a Coke. And when it got cold, I couldn't buy me a coat. Being broke was all a joke, I couldn't even fucking laugh at. I couldn't even get the last laugh. My nigga, goddamn. My nigga. Yeah. My nigga got add up all the quarters and pennies.
I told him you were sitting there, so I had to do it.
Sorry, man. Sorry, man.
I don't care if you guys are doing it, but when he's literally driving and he's bouncing in the air,
Yeah.
and then he starts
To be honest,
brand new blacktop.
To be honest, he didn't get that much in.
Back in high school when niggas was buying our arms and different color products for the summertime. Got fired from my job, all I did was hit the basement. Selling beats to everybody, still ain't get a placement. Nigga impatience kicked in, I was trying to get in while everybody else was trying to fit in. I ain't have enough to take my bitch to get a fill-in. Then me and Brandon started hitting licks just like some villains. I remember back when niggas really didn't feel it. Nowadays everybody trying to dig in, man. First car that I got crashed, it got repaired, and then again we was broke. I pissed my mama off, I could've gave her a stroke. Then pissed my daddy off, I could've gave him a stroke. Being broke was all a joke, I couldn't even fucking laugh at.